The Ubuntu Repository Structure. A repository is a directory of packages organized by release in a number of different categories. For example, the Hardy Heron release includes a number of different repositories. Generally, they're divided by their license status, whether they're open source or not, and their support status, whether or not they're supported by Canonical. There are 4 main repositories associated with each Ubuntu release, including Hardy Heron. 2 of them are standard repositories. The main repository includes packages required for the standard distribution. You'll find a lot of these packages on the installation CDs and DVDs. All packages in the main repository are available through some sort of open source license. The restricted repository is a matter of some controversy, as it includes packages with closed source licenses, such as how Microsoft Windows is licensed. However, these packages are key to the Ubuntu approach, and they believe necessary to an operating system that just works. For example, the Ubuntu Restricted Repository includes packages associated with closed source hardware, including some video cards and wireless networking cards. Packages from both the main and restricted repositories are generally supported by Canonical. If there is a problem with any of these packages, developers employed by Canonical, probably with the help of the community, will address them. The other major repositories are known as Universe and Multiverse. They parallel the main and restricted repositories. The Universe repository has other open source packages. The Multiverse repository includes other packages where the source code is not available. Packages in both the Universe and Multiverse repository are not supported by Canonical. There are additional categories of packages available for Ubuntu Linux. They're associated with updates, which generally include bug fixes made after the final release of the distribution. Backports, packages which incorporate features introduced in later releases. For example, I expect to see backport packages which incorporate features from, say, the Intrepid Ibex or Jaunty Jackalope release in the Hardy Heron backports repository. Security. Naturally, these are packages which incorporate security fixes. There's one more repository associated with Ubuntu partners. Generally, they include closed source applications commonly used on Linux systems. At this time, the Hardy Heron partner repository includes the Opera web browser, as well as the Parallels workstation for virtual machines. Since these repositories are shared by different Ubuntu releases, it's possible to install any desktop environment such as GNOME, KDE, or XFCE, or even the OpenOffice.org suite on Ubuntu server. Conversely, you can install the servers of your choice on an Ubuntu desktop environment. In another part of this course, I'll describe how these repositories are configured. For a preview, take a look at your etc/apt/sources.list configuration file. Thank you, and on to the next video.